Have you ever wished you could keep all of your related ChatGPT conversations in one place? If you use ChatGPT for work, studying, coding, or personal projects, your chat history can get messy fast. That's where ChatGPT projects come in. They let you group related chats together, making everything much easier to organize. Think of a project as a folder for your ChatGPT conversations. Instead of keeping everything mixed together in one long list, you can separate different topics into their own projects. To create a project, open ChatGPT and look at the left sidebar. Find the project section, then click the plus button. Enter a name for your project that clearly describes what it's for. For example, you could name it Job Applications, Vacation Planning, or Website Ideas. Once you've entered a name, click Create Project. After your project has been created, click on it to open it. If you want to start working right away, simply click New Chat inside the project. Any conversation you create there will automatically become part of that project, so all of your related chats stay together from the beginning. You can also add conversations you've already started. Find the chat you want to move, open its three-dot menu, choose Move to Project, and then select the project you want to add it to. Projects are especially useful if you regularly switch between different tasks. For example, you could have one project for work, another for school, one for programming, and another for personal planning. That way, each topic has its own dedicated space, making it much easier to stay organized. As your number of conversations grows, using projects can save you a lot of time because you won't need to scroll through one long list of unrelated chats. Everything stays grouped by topic, making it easier to find what you're looking for whenever you come back. And that's how you organize your chats, by creating projects in ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out my other tutorials for more quick tips and useful features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.